Tired of your desk looking like mine does? Well, I've got a solution because, baby, we've got to clean this up. And that is where this file organizer comes in handy, baby. We've got an accordion file organizer with 26 pockets. It is a wheat straw material, expanding file folder, and I am absolutely here for it. So not only does it expand the way an accordion expands the long way, but it also is bungee the opposite way, and I'll show you that in a minute. I absolutely do love the fact that it comes with tabs for easy placement of your files. You're going to see that in a second, but y'all, get into it. Look at the colors. It does have multiple colors, and the material right there is just so good. So see, organizing made easy. Now create your own storage system.